Hello everyone, I am Violin Leung Sir. In this video, we will learn some rhythm. Are you ready? Let's go! First, you have to study all the notes, what they look like. For example, this is whole note, counts 4, 全音符數4拍. This is half note, counts 2, 二分音符數2拍. This is quarter note, counts 1, 4分音符數1拍. This is eighth note, 8分音符. This is 16th note, 16分音符. And 1 quarter note equals to 2 eighth notes. And 1 quarter note equals to 4 16th notes. On the left hand is how they look like when they are single note. And on the right hand is how they look like when they are grouping together. So let's review once. Whole note 全音符. Half note 2分音符. Quarter note 4分音符. Eighth note 8分音符. 16th note 16分音符. And now I teach you a song to remember all the notes. 全音符是軟雞蛋，2分音符加支棍，4分音符黑咪蒙，8分音符加條尾，16分音符2條尾，其他音符遲啲學。So, I hope you learned something. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time.